Density. Density is mass per unit volume. The formula is density is mass divided by volume. You can use this little sphere as a way to figure out density or the components of density when you're trying to solve problems. You cover up the item that you're looking for. If I'm looking for density, I would cover it up. Density is mass divided by volume. If I'm looking for mass, it will be density times volume. If I look for volume, it's mass divided by density. Example 1. Antimicrobial properties of silver have been known for centuries. A salesperson recommends a silver-colored knob for kitchen cabinets because silver kills bacteria, and this knob is solid silver. The mass of the knob is 136 grams, and the volume of the knob is 16.0 cubic centimeters. What is the density of the knob? Density you do not know. The volume is 16.0 cubic centimeters, which has 3 significant digits. The mass is 136 grams, which has 3 significant digits. We will round to 3 at the end. Density is mass per unit volume. And we're looking for density, so it's mass divided by volume. We use a little sphere. The density is 136 grams divided by 16.0 cubic centimeters. The density is 8.50 grams per cubic centimeter. If the density of pure silver is 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter, is the salesperson telling the truth? And no, the salesperson is not telling the truth. Urine has a density of 1.08 grams per milliliter. What would be the mass of a 347 milliliter urine sample? Write down what you know. Density is 1.08 grams per milliliter, which has 3 significant digits, and the volume is 347 milliliters, which also has 3 significant digits, so we will round to 3 digits at the end. The mass you do not know. The formula is density is mass divided by volume. Rearrange the formula to isolate mass. So I can say that mass divided by volume is density. Multiply both sides by volume. So the rearranged formula is mass is density times volume. And if we used our little sphere, we cover up mass, what we're looking for. Density and volume are side by side, so that means density times volume is the mass. Substitute in. The mass is 1.08 grams per milliliter times 347 milliliters. The mass is 374.76 grams. And as noted before, you need to round to 3 significant digits, and so the mass is 375 grams. Radiologists noted numerous metallic threads on a CT scan. The gold threads were the result of previous acupuncture pain treatment with bits of gold thread. The alternative medicine is not without problems. The gold threads can migrate to other areas of the body and cause pain. If the density of gold is 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter and the average mass of the gold and the golden thread is 3.50 grams, what is the volume in cubic centimeters of the golden thread? You do not know the volume. The density is 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter, which has 4 significant digits. The mass is 3.50 grams, which has 3 significant digits. You have 4 and 3, the least is 3. You'll round to 3 significant digits at the end. The formula is density is mass divided by volume. Solve for volume. Multiply both sides by volume and divide both sides by density. If you use a little sphere, you will notice that if you cover up volume, it's mass divided by density. Substitute in. The volume is 3.50 grams divided by 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter. The volume is 0.181 cubic centimeters, and it's rounded to 3 significant digits.